I'm here. Know what I'm gonna make today in my Instant Pot pressure cooker? A dump meal. A pressure cooker dump meal. You see dump cakes, dump desserts, dump this, dump that. Well, you know what? I don't even know what I'm gonna put in there yet. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to create a meal without any fancy ingredients. I'm sure I got some leftovers in the cabinet in the refrigerator. I'm gonna go pick some stuff out and I'll be right back. I found some leftover bow tie pasta noodles because we didn't use the whole pound that day. Some frozen meatballs were in the freezer. I found an onion, a can of cream of mushroom soup, which I like, and then I thought, why not some green beans and some corn, right? Make a nice healthy meal there. And you can add anything else you want. You got some meatloaf, throw it in there. I don't know, what do you got? Pierogies? Anything. But that's what I found, and I think this is going to be good for my dump meal in the pressure cooker. It's going to be so easy, the easiest thing you ever made, and everybody's going to love it. Let's put it together. Come on. Throw in my meatballs. I don't know how many's in there. Doesn't matter. Throw in my bag of pasta. That might be half a pound. It's going to be enough for a good meal. Wasn't that easy so far? Can of mushroom soup. Easy opening top, which I like a lot. I like cream of mushroom soup. I'm going to add a can of water with this. Rinse out the can good. Maybe 2. Because we want our pasta almost covered with liquid. Okay. Let me open these 2 jars and cut this onion, and I'll be right back. Did I say jars? I meant cans. Of that. Put that nice onion in there. If you don't like onion, don't put in no onions. Can of green beans that I've drained. This is like a succotash. You can call it whatever you want. It's going to be a good meal, that's for sure. See that? I'm going to add some salt, pepper. Sorry. Oh, I got my voice box. Oh, hello. Are you there? That's okay. I got some garlic too. Put some squeezed garlic on there. I like that. That's convenient. And it's good for me. A little bit of that in there. You can change this however you like, you know. It's your gourmet meal. Stir it up. Make sure the pasta's covered with liquid, which it is. Pretty good down there. Oh, meatballs. I forgot they were in there. Cream of mushroom soup. See, if I had mushrooms, I'd throw them in there too. You know, like leftover in the refrigerator. That's it. I'll put the lid on. We'll go high pressure for 5 minutes. Because from experience, I'm pretty sure the pasta's going to be great at that point. Add your famous musical lid. Make sure you're in pressure mode. And I'm going to go manual for 5 minutes. That's it. Let the pressure build up for 5-10 minutes, however long it takes, and we're going to have a delicious pressure cooker dump meal that you and your family will enjoy. But first, me. Alright. Less than a minute remaining. Smells good. Smells corny. Got a corn scent in the air. There it is. It didn't take too long. Let me release the pressure manually. Here's ya. Thank you. Right back when the pressure's out. Okay. Now it smells like toasty corn and garlic and meatballs. Smells good. Oh, and it looks good. You wait till you see it. You want to see it? Look in there. I didn't even hear it yet. Stir it up. Look at that. Creamy mushroom in there, remember? Onions, corn, bow ties, meatballs. Wow. Let me put this in a bowl so I can eat it. Perfect. Isn't it great? And what else I'm gonna put on my bowl is a little bit of cheese. I got some. Let some cheese melt on there a couple minutes. Hey, you can add hot sauce if you liked, or anything. It's your crazy dump meal. This is my crazy dump meal. Hey, let's take a bite. Still kind of hot. Woo! That bowl's burned my hand. But I can't wait. Perfect. Oh. Such a good flavor in there. What did I put in there? Garlic. The cream of mushroom soup is really good. The corn, the cheese, green beans, onions. And this was just stuff I found hanging around, leftovers. So make your family a dump meal in the pressure cooker. I used the Instant Pot today, but this will work with any pressure cooker. Okay? I love it. Love it. Again, I just had to show you how you can be an expert chef and amaze your family and friends and yourself. Easy, huh? All right, thanks for stopping by. Please subscribe. I'm gonna finish enjoying this. All right, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Stay cool or warm wherever you are. I gotta try to stay warm. See ya.